Hello, it's John, Vintage Fisherman. I'm back with a little bit different video, or a little bit different video format tonight. A few weeks ago, I was building a Zebco 2020, which is a larger version of this reel. This is a 2010. And in the middle of building that reel, I found out that I broke apart trying to build that reel. So I found out through having the schematics in my hand that the 2010 and 2020 were basically first cousins on the inside, or brother, sister, or whatever. And I found that to be pretty cool because I really needed this part right here. And I took it out of this. I took this reel apart, took the part out of this reel, and I was able to get that reel together. And I did some searching. I finally found this piece, JY061. Like I said, it's the same part on both reels. I've already had this reel apart and cleaned it up, and it's in pretty good shape. It's got everything it needs here. So this part that I broke actually just snaps on right there in that groove. It just goes in there in that little groove right there. And I'm just making sure I got everything. I do have a washer here. Make sure I don't have anything that goes on that. Actually, I got that backwards. It goes on like this. Let's see if everything works right like that. So it goes down in there, and when you're turning the handle, yes, everything's right there. It takes the anti-reverse off. I don't think where that washer went. If I had to guess, I'd say it went out here on the handle. Looks about right. This reel will just go on the shelf for now. I don't have one, so I figured I'd just go ahead and build it and stick it on the shelf for now. And just be another Zebco on the shelf. I mean, is it rare? Nope. Now you see the anti-reverse is working correctly. There you go. Now this piece will just go up in here, and we will give that shaft, all that, just a little bit of Lucas oil. And oh, I see a problem there. Hold on. I missed some crud on that gear. You gotta be careful not to leave any dried up grease on these gears. Sometimes my ultrasonic doesn't always break that stuff up and get rid of it, and so I have to go back through and just give it a little bit of help. What will happen is that that dried up oil will lock the, believe it or not, will be enough to lock the reel up. So we got that. We're going to push this shaft in so it's sticking out just a little bit. And you want to stick it out because this is the line pickup. And if you try to screw it together like this, it's going to get caught right there where it trips the line pickup. So you want to push these out. That's how I do them. I don't know if I'm exactly 100% right about doing it like this. This is how I do it. So we're going to thread that in there. Now, give it just a little extra there. And there we go. This reel is together. I just got to give this gear some grease. It's very simple little reels. I mean, you could take one apart in the field and fix them. They're just simple. To actually take a night off from all the moving and working on the house tonight, it's been something. Wore out. Oh, hang on. That's something new too. I forgot I left my air compressor on. Y'all are getting the whole thing tonight. Okay. Looks about right, doesn't it? So the part was correct. I've got 2 finished reels now. This slides up in here. These reels are so simple. Look at this. It just slides together here. Something don't want to slide together here. Let's see, why is that not going back together? Gotta go up in there like that. There we go. And then this threads on. This is supposed to thread on. There it goes. Wouldn't hold my mouth right or something. So it's a little 2010 Pro Staff. Probably a $10 reel at Walmart. But hey, it's fixed. And it's in the collection for now. Just because. So there you go. That's a different video for you this week. I started off in the middle. I want to note it is made in the USA. You don't believe me? Right there it says it, made in USA. So it's an older Zebco. That's cool. Let's see here. Doesn't seem like it's doing something just right. Yeah, it's not. Okay, that's different. For some reason, it's not tripping. Oh, that's odd. Well, this little reel just doesn't want to act right. Has something to do with there it goes. All right. Well, let's try it again. Maybe I just didn't have it all together just right. Okay, it's working now. Well, there you go. I won't make it any longer than it has to be. This is John, the Vintage Fisherman. Please like the video if you like it. And subscribe to the channel. There'll be more stuff coming up. Have a good evening.